Hey everybody, this lesson is factoring x squared plus or minus bx plus c. So this could be x squared plus bx plus c or x squared minus bx plus c. And this is when there's nothing in front of the x squared. So it's a 1x squared, okay? All right, so and don't forget all your lessons can be found at Mrmathblog.com. All right, so let's start off with listing pairs of factors that gives the product of each number here. So 10, okay? So 1 times 10 equals 10, and 2 times 5 equals 10. But don't forget about the negatives, you guys. A negative times a negative is also a positive. So negative 1 times negative 10, and negative 2 times negative 5. Okay, so here's 30. So there's lots of 30. So 1 and 2, I'm sorry, 1 and 2. 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5, and 6, and then don't forget about the negatives. So the negative 1 and negative 30 and negative 2 and negative 15 and so on. Okay, and so this one should be easy. This is a prime number, so there's only two pairs, so 1 and 47 and negative 1 and negative 47. So that's what this lesson is about, you guys. So when we're factoring a 1x squared, or just an x squared plus or minus bx plus c, we set it up with these two parentheses right here, and then what goes in these parentheses are whatever are factors of c that add to b. Okay, the factors of c go in the parentheses. All right, I should have said that add to b. Okay, let's do that. That add to b. Let me do that. Sorry about that, you guys. That add to b. And sorry, I'm in my truck before school. Okay, all right, so here we go. Let me grab that thing, and well, that's not going to be there in the next couple of clicks. Okay, so here we go. Don't forget that always your first step of factoring is there, if you can pull a GCF out, to go ahead and pull a GCF out. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and factor these guys right here. Okay, so number one is x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then number 2 is x squared minus 7x plus 6. Okay, all right, so here we go. So factors of 6 that add to 5 are 2 and 3. So you can put plus 2 here, plus 3 here, or you can put plus 3 here, plus 2 there. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So which order you want to put that in, it doesn't matter. Then over here, factors of 6 that add to negative 7 are negative 1 times negative 6. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you want to put the negative 6 first or the negative 1 first. These are both the correct answers right there. Okay. All right, so how about this one? Factors of 16 that add to negative 10. Okay, so we put the parentheses in there. And then you guys know this, it's negative 8 and negative 2. All right, x squared plus 13x plus 36. Okay, well 36 is 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, that's not it. 4 times 9, that's it right there, 4 and 9. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put plus 9 plus 4, or plus 4 plus 9. It doesn't matter, okay? Now, remember, factoring, you guys, is the opposite of multiplying. So if I said FOIL this stuff out, it'd take us back to this right there. If we FOILed that stuff out, it'd take us back to that. So factoring is asking you what times what gave you this guy right here. So x plus 9 times x plus 4 gives us x squared plus 13x plus 36, okay? All right, factors of 25 are negative 5 times negative 5, so we'll put those in there, and then it's always cleaner to write it as x minus 5 squared, okay? Easy enough, all right? X squared plus 18x plus 81 is x plus 9, x plus 9, so x plus 9 squared. How about this one here? X squared minus 7x plus 49. Well, some students think it's going to be x minus 7, x minus 7, but if I FOILed this out, we'd get a negative 7x. Here we'd get another negative 7x to be a negative 14x. So that's not correct right there. So I'm going to say it's not equal to that. In fact, this one is a prime polynomial. It does not factor on that. Okay, so when they don't factor, I don't know if you have any of those on your handout today, but if they don't factor, then it is prime, okay? All right, so if you are in our class, you're going to be given a handout that says page 71 on the back. There will be another page that you'll be using for the next day. So you have to write all the problems down on a piece of paper and the answers, all right? Hope that makes sense. Take care.